greetings from Lyceum College of Paramedical Sciences. Our mission is to save the people by empowering them with education, knowledge, skills and opportunities to help themselves to succeed in life. We aim at providing employment to as many people as we can, thus enhance their standard of living. The Lyceum College of Paramedical Sciences (LCPS) is under the management of CST Pradesh, Mokanur. The college is run by the Congregation of St. Teresa of Lyceum. The college was established in the year 2014 in order to train students in medical laboratory technology, which is very much in demand in all modern hospitals and offers great chances of employment both inside the country as well as the hospitals abroad. The college was being recognized by Government of Kerala Paramedical Council and affiliated to Kerala University of Health Sciences. The college has its own parent hospital, MAGJ, established in year 1951, has now developed by the 500-bedded General Hospital in Mokanur, where students shall be mainly provided with practical clinical experiences. LCPS gifting the students of Kerala a paramedical professional courses MLT, which is fully job oriented. This will be helpful for the students to achieve greater heights in paramedical field. Lab facilities, hostel and canteen facilities all are in same building, so that students will have a homely atmosphere to study without any stress or strain. Another special features, our students can make use of our hospital MAGJ for practice according to their time. Our students are from different districts of Kerala. Among them, some are day scholars and others are staying in hostel. They have opportunities to practice in MAGJ hospital, IMA blood bank and various hospitals. So, I strongly recommend all to join MLT, those who want a better career in paramedical field. I am happy to inform you that our 2 batches were graduated with colorful results. Among them, few joined for post-graduation, 10 of them joined in government services and others are working in different hospitals. Doctors save life and teachers shape life. This is what happening in LCPS. LCPS Mokanur impart quality education for the overall development of students. We are blessed with well-qualified faculties of impart education in different levels. They are very friendly and caring so that students are having a homely atmosphere in campus. In COVID-19 has resulted in colleges and schools shut all across the world. So, the education system has changed from classroom learning to home online learning, whereby teaching is undertaken remotely and digital platforms. LCPS provide online learning through WhatsApp, Google Meet, Zoom app, etc. Our faculties interact with the students and mainly a friendly teacher-student relationship to keep continuity in academic learning through the online learning. LCPS provide maximum benefit to the students to continue their course without delay. In this situation, I sincerely express my gratitude to all faculty members for their wholehearted support and cooperation. Also, thank you all the parents and students for their cooperation and support. I thank God Almighty for protecting us from and save us. Let us pray together as a family to cure the world from this disease and this situation. Thank you.
Lyceum College of Paramedical Science, affiliated under Kerala University of Health Science, is managed and run by CST Brothers. We are successfully entering to the 6th year of academic programs. Students here can grow through academic programs together with extracurricular activities. Courses here are supplemented with seminars, workshops, assignments, and clinical exposure in our hospital and with other specialty hospitals. Student support and guidance program, academic monitoring cell, and scientific programs of universities assure mental and psychological development of our students. Medical lab technology plays a vital role in the disease diagnosis and act as a backbone of medical profession. As we all know, we are into an epidemic of COVID-19. Surely we will overcome the situation and will pray together that we will be back into our normal scenario.
At Lycée College of Paramedical Sciences, we have 30 seats available in each batch. Students who have passed plus 2 with 50% marks in science stream is eligible for the BSc MLT course in our college, which is affiliated to Kerala University of Health Sciences. Students who require hostel facilities will be provided in our college premises. Students will be assisted to acquire loans to pursue their dream education. Let us all stay together in this crisis and forget all our miseries, and let us hope for the beauty that still remains.
Hi, I am Sanjita, Vice Principal, EC College of Paramedical Sciences. Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technologies is an allied health profession that deals with diagnosis, treatment and preventing of disease with the help of clinical laboratory tests. The truth of the matter is that the practice of modern medicine would be outlandish without the test performed in the laboratory. BSc MLT graduates can get job opportunities in different places such as government and private hospitals, pharmaceutical laboratories, research program development, quality assurance companies, and as lectures in medicine graduate program. Lycée College of Paramedical Sciences is affiliated to Kerala University of Health Sciences. We are nourishing with young mind and good quality education. Highly experienced and dedicated faculty members guide students through a well-rounded curriculum that classroom theory, lab work and the actual clinical experience. We have hospital facility give students hands-on training in procedures. The support of dedicated staff members and students, we have good academic results. As we know, we are also the part of Corona challenges. Here we go, the revolutionary phase of education. With the support of management, we started the online sections from March 23rd and now continuing with good success. I am happy to say that we get a heartfelt support and cooperation from our students and parents. My sincere appreciation to all of the faculty members and students for their cooperation. Thank you.
Hi all, I am Shyamali Mohan. I'm working as an assistant professor in Lycée College of Paramedical Sciences. We are providing clinical education for allied health professions since 2014. We are focused on delivering the highest quality educational experience for our students, which is informed by research and latest developments in clinical practices. Our staff are all registered with the respective professional regulatory bodies and are committed to delivering an excellent learning experience in addition to developing their expertise in research and clinical practices. We support our students throughout their studying to develop a career path by working with various organizations like National Institute of Virology and College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences Manuti, and also some healthcare professionals to ensure they gain the appropriate skills. In addition to all these, our management provide lots of activities like personality development classes, interactive sections, and also cultural activities to improve their personal behavior too, which is also essential to build up a good professional. Finally, our major aim is to get 100% success of our students in every aspects. Thank you.
Hello, I am Unnimaya, working as Assistant Professor in LISIX College of Paramedical Sciences. I am dealing with microbiology. Microbiology is more relevant than ever in today's world. New infectious diseases continue to emerge, leading health-related issues. Simply, we can say microbiology is the study of microorganisms, and these include bacteria, fungi, parasite, protozoa, and virus. These are so minute that they can be viewed through a microscope. And purpose of learning microbiology is we will be able to know what organisms cause infection, how it causes infection, how to treat them, and how to prevent infection.
Hello everyone, I am Vidya, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology in LISIX College of Paramedical Science, Angamari. Nice to meet you all. I wish that all are fine and healthy at your homes. We know that due to corona pandemic, the whole country has locked down itself. The country is struggling with school, colleges, teachers and lack of education. Foreseeing the challenging situation of this pandemic and the uncertainty in opening of colleges, our institution has come up with the possibility of starting online classes at the initial stages of lockdown. This helped our students as well as staff to continue their classes and covering the portion and to maintain the flow of study. Apart from well-equipped lab facilities and infrastructure provided by our college, they give us all the moral and technical support to accomplish this mission. We are also arranging special doubt clearing sessions and worksheet for students to rectify the shortcomings of online classes and to make them feel like it live sessions. Recorded sessions also helping students who have connectivity issues. If there is any query related to any topic, students can freely interact with their subject teachers.
I am Jomal. I work as a lab technician in LISIX College of Paramedical Science. There are 2 more staffs in our team. We assist teachers and students in their lab works. Daily we have lab works and we have full-fledged lab equipments in our college. Thank you.
I'm Ansi K, one of the first BSc MLT graduate of batch 2014 from LISIX College, Angamala. Now, I'm working as a medical laboratory technologist in Ahalya Hospital, Palakkad. I got this job after a few weeks of my final year exams. This is only because of my college life in LISIX to make me confident in my professional studies. In this present occasion, I dedicated my heartily sincere thanks to the management of LISIX College for providing better environmental structures to studying with good teachers, library, practical labs, hostel facilities, etc. I honestly devoting a bunch of thanks especially to Brother Shaji, Principal Bobisa, teachers, juniors and to my batchmates. We all know COVID-19 is a big crisis and all students were confused about their studies, practicals, record works, exams. But as an old student, I can give full guarantee about their studies. They can achieve their goals without worrying because the teachers and management were always bothering about their students and their future. They cared our batch very well with good teaching not only in studies but also in manners. And surely they will make good professionals in each year. I am sure about it because I am a living example and my all batchmates were working in different hospitals as lab technologists. Once more, I am dedicating my thanks to LISIX College to achieve a good job in my career. All our dreams will come true if we have the courage to pursue them. I am so proud to be a part of this institute and wishing as much happiness and successful tomorrow. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Livia Chivi, presently pursuing my master's degree in MLT Microbiology from Father Muller Medical College. I have completed my bachelor's degree from LCS College of Paramedical Science, Mukanur, 2014-2018. To start with, ours was the first batch of LCS. From the minute to the grades of gift we have received from the college. Gift inclusive of the moral lessons from the ma'ams, ethics from the institutions, then the values from our positive surroundings. But the greatest gift of all we have received has been the gift of education. It cannot be explained in the words about the efforts taken by our teachers to impart the best of knowledge in us.
Hi, I am Noel K. Joseph, Union Chairman of LCS College of Paramedical Sciences. Yes, the nature provides a calm, green and fresh atmosphere to our campus. Besides, in the college, we are endowed with all convenient amenities make our life too easy in college hours. Some of the facilities include well-ventilated smart classrooms, recreational area, stock library as a single window to the world of wisdom, seamless internet, laboratory facility, medical facility, etc. We are provided with highly educated, experienced and talented teaching faculty who make the learning easy, interactive and interesting, which helps to improve our knowledge, sculpting us into talented and qualified professionals. During this pandemic phase also, we are having online classes regularly, which are active and creative as the oral classes. There are many social and cultural activities in our college that helps us to find and improve the talents and encourage our confidence. And I am very happy to be here, learning from the best and dreaming the best. Thank you.
Hi all, I am Henna Paili. I am a first year BSc MLT student at LCS College of Paramedical Sciences. BSc MLT means Bachelor Sciences of Medical Laboratory Technology. It is a 4-year degree course. The subjects we are studying in first year are anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, microbiology and hematology.
Hello friends, my name is Reshma Kurian, studying at LCS College of Paramedical Sciences, 4th year BSc MLT Bio. I thank our beloved teachers and respected principal and director of LCS College for organizing online classes in this depressed corona period. Thank you so much for your amazing lectures and being so supportive and helpful to continue our academic studies without any break. I extend my profound gratitude towards our principal, Mr. Bobby Joseph, and Director Radhashaji Varaprambal for facilitating online classes. May the wisdom and well health goes on. Stay at home and be safe.
Hi all, I am Elsa Bidu. I am studying first year BSc MLT in LCS College of Paramedical Sciences. BSc MLT means Bachelor Science of Medical Laboratory Technology. The main subjects we are studying in BSc MLT are biochemistry, hematology and microbiology. When I first heard about online classes, I feel something weird because I had no previous experience. But now I feel so much glad that our teachers' support is at a peak level. And also, with all the efforts, we covered most of the portions. However, the revisions is also going on their part. And as a student, I felt a feeling of blessed because of my teachers that I have. There is no difficulty in containing or during in the classes, and we are free to ask any doubts. And now I am sure that online classes have its own level of success.
Hi everyone, my name is Abarna Baiju and I am a second year BSc MLT student at LCS College of Paramedical Science, Angamali. So, as we all know that the entire world is facing a pandemic caused by the coronavirus from the last few months, and it has influenced our life a lot, due to which the government has announced complete lockdown so that we are not able to go out or even attend classes at colleges. But I'm really glad that our college has taken such an initiative towards the implementation of online classes during this tough time. I know we all are experiencing a new situation in our life, and this type of online classes is a best new experience for both the teachers as well as the students. I think the classes are going very smoothly and it's so realistic that we are able to connect with our teachers' explanations and thoughts very well. I think the classes have started for us from the very next week, after which the government has announced complete lockdown for 21 days, and now it's the third month that we are attending online classes, and now our portions are complete and we are going through our revisions and seminars along with the record works.
Hi all, I'm Anita Sibi. I'm pursuing my degree in Medical Laboratory Technology from LISIX College of Paramedical Sciences in Buchanum. I'm in my second year of college. Now, we are dealing with the onset of a deadly coronavirus outbreak which molds us as a general being. Most of our fellow beings now are on their uphill battle for life. As a student, lockdown made us to enjoy on the first week. Ongoing, we are really abashed about our unfinished topics. There is no way to make it. At the very time, I think Quas first made the sense of online classes with the initiative of our college management. We all are experiencing the situation which are really new for us. The situation, it gives us best experience for both teachers and students. Online classes are very smooth and realistic for us. We are able to understand each classes very much better than before. I mean, we can have or we are hearing the audio classes whenever we want, and it will with us all the time we need. Online classes are great relief for us during this deadly pandemic occasion, as we hope to be more better. This is the third month of our online classes. Already we covered all the topics and now we are going through our revisions along with seminars and record books. As a student, I am very glad that our classes are not delayed. We are having our classes on the allotted time and our teachers are really doing great to mold us for the exams.
Hi everyone, I am Rosmaria Varghese, BSc MLT third year student here at LISIX College of Paramedical Sciences, Buchanum. At present, BSc MLT is one of the best courses among the paramedical sciences. Our syllabus deals with its core subjects biochemistry, microbiology and pathology, and in this year we deal with its branches like bacteriology, cytology, transfusion medicine, research methodology, IT, statistics and biochemistry with enzymology and laboratory techniques. As a MLT student, I feel that my college has provided immense opportunities for us to create and develop our professional careers. About the teaching faculties, our management has provided excellent teaching faculties. Our teachers are extremely encouraging and motivating. They are not just teachers, they guide us for a better future and nurture us to match to the best standards.